In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix itch.io error 429 quickly and safely. This error usually means you've hit a rate limit, and in most cases, it can be resolved without any complicated troubleshooting. We'll go through the simple fixes step by step, including waiting for the cooldown to clear, hard refreshing the page, and closing the itch app if it's stuck making repeated requests in the background. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick fix tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, let's talk about the most common reason for itch.io error 429. This error usually appears when the site or app is receiving too many requests too quickly. That can happen if you've refreshed a page a lot, opened too many tabs, or if the desktop app is repeatedly trying to connect in the background. The good news is that this is often temporary, so the first thing you should do is simply wait 5 to 15 minutes. In many cases, the rate limit clears on its own after a short cooldown period. While you're waiting, avoid constantly refreshing the page again and again, because that can keep the limit active for longer. Just give it a little time, then try loading the page once more. If the error was caused by too many requests, this alone may fix it. If you've waited and the issue is still there, the next step is to hard refresh the page. A hard refresh clears the cached version of the page and forces your browser to load everything fresh from the server. On Windows, press Ctrl plus F5. On Mac, press Command, Shift and R. After doing that, check whether itch.io loads normally again. This is a simple step, but it can help if your browser cached a broken or outdated version of the page. If you're using the Itch desktop app, there's one more important thing to check. Sometimes the app can get stuck in a loop and keep sending background API requests, which can trigger the 429 error over and over. To fix that, completely quit the Itch app instead of just minimizing it. Make sure it's fully closed, then reopen it after a few moments. This can stop the looping requests and give the app a clean start. If you're not sure whether the app is fully closed, check your taskbar, system tray or activity monitor and make sure it isn't still running in the background. Once it's fully shut down, relaunch it and try again. In many cases, that is enough to clear the problem. So to recap, the main fixes for itch.io error 429 are simple. Wait 5 to 15 minutes for the rate limit to clear, hard refresh the page with Ctrl plus F5 on Windows or Command, Shift and R on Mac. And if you're using the desktop app, fully close it and reopen it to stop repeated background requests. These steps solve the issue for most users without needing anything more advanced. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful tech fixes, gaming tips and quick walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.